Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 42, Jackie Robinson's number, episode of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page for you to ask him questions. And he tells you yay, nay, or otherwise. We look at those questions and we think some of the cool ones, the funny ones, the lies, the myths, and we post them here for you. In today's episode, we're talking about steps into the swimming pools, Shaq's big chicken everywhere, the Paradise and the Elation, MDR foodstuffs, and the Thrill Theater. If you've ever been to one, you know what that means. All right, question one. This person wants to know, what Carnival ships have steps into the swimming pool because they need to know so they can easily access the pools? John said, on Excel class, you have steps into the shallow part of the pool. Carnival Venezia also has steps in the main pool. That said, we've been on quite a few Carnival ships and there's a lot of them that have the chairlift. So if you're mobility challenged and you want to get in the pool, they have a lift on, I'd say, most of the ships, quite honestly. And if not, there's quite a few that have the nice small steps getting into the pool. So there you go. This person asked, will Shaq's big chicken be on any other ships? John said, yes. There's two more forthcoming, both of which are the Excel class ships. So those are going to have a Shaq's going forward. Other ships, they're having trouble finding a spot to put it. And I love Shaq's, but only on the Excel class right now. But they are looking at what they can do to get it on other ships. This person absolutely loves the Paradise and the Elation, which I'm with them. I love the small ships. Liz likes the mid-size ships. I like them too. The Excel class gets a little big. But they want to know, since they're the oldest and the smallest, are they going to recycle them like they did most of the other ships? And right now, Jacinta said, no. That's John's right-hand lady. They're not have any plans to get rid of these ships right now. They're still crazy popular and they're keeping them in there, which I hope they do because I love that size ship. This one is actually a great question, which I see asked all the time. They want to know, in the MDR, can you still get 2 entrees, unlimited appetizers, unlimited desserts, chocolate melting cake, yum, 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 yum. And if you get a third entree, is it still only $5? The answer is, yeah, it's only $5. So if you can eat that much after 2 entrees, unlimited appetizers, and unlimited desserts, and you want a third entree, God bless, it's only $5. $5. That's like, I think we went to McDonald's the other day and we got a hash brown. It was $2.79 for 1 hash brown. So you want a third entree for $5? No complaining. Just saying. Don't do it. This one, the Thrill Theater, is a really cool place to go. They wanted to know, is it going to reopen on the horizon? Because it was a really cool theater. And it was. I get motion sickness when it comes to weird stuff like that. But it was really fun and I enjoyed it. So is it going to be back on the horizon? John said no. Unfortunately, the company that provides that entertainment for the Thrill Theater didn't make it through COVID. So they don't have a vendor to do the Thrill Theater. So no, unfortunately, it's gone. So when they send in the dry dock, it's going to be something else. I don't know what it is. What do you think it's going to be? Curious what your questions, your thoughts are. Anyway, that was episode 42, Jackie Robinson's number. Thanks for watching. Take care, everybody.